Are you completely out of ideas on what to design today? We've all been there. You open your software, stare at the blank screen, and just freeze. You know you need to catch the next trend, but doing the research is tedious. And honestly, most calendars just give you a date and leave you to figure out the rest. Not anymore. Right here on the MerchArt's homepage, there is exactly one new post every single day. It's not about what's happening today, it's a forecast of events exactly 45 days from now. That is the specific sweet spot I use for print on demand. It gives you enough time to design, upload, and get indexed before the buyers actually start searching. Now look at the detail I've packed into this. It's not just a list of holidays. I've broken it down into a traffic light system, but the real value is in the details. Check out the green light section. These are the ones you should be working on. I don't just tell you it's bubblegum day. I give you the context and the mission. I break down the why, the psychology, like nostalgia or obsession, so you know why a customer would buy it. I even give you a ready-made design concept. Look at this, gum dealer at recess. I describe the scene. Playful classroom scene, mischievous kid, certified gum dealer. I even included the selling point and the best art style to use, like comic book style. It's basically a full design brief ready to go. I also tell you what to skip so you don't waste your time. In the yellow light section, the caution zone, I explain why you should hesitate. For example, for car insurance day, I note that it has a weak emotional hook and no passionate tribe. It stops you from making designs that nobody wants. And the red light? This is to keep your account safe. Take Elmo's birthday, or the day the music died. A normal calendar might just list them. I explicitly flag them for intellectual property risk or sensitive tragedy topics. This section alone helps you avoid rejections and strikes. And you don't have to worry about me forgetting to update this. The whole system is powered by an N8N automation. It runs on autopilot, posting a new brief every single morning around 9:10 a.m. Irish time. No humans involved, no delays, just consistent data waiting for you when you wake up. So, you have the research. Now what about the design? In my next video, I'm going to show you how to take those specific green light concepts I just showed you and plug them into AI. I'll show you how to create merch designs while you're enjoying your morning coffee, so you can finish your workday before you finish your breakfast. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that workflow. The link to the daily list is in the description. Go check it out, and I'll see you in the next one.